up inside.
I can't hold down.
Wake my penis up.
Save it
from itself.
What the fuck? What are we watching? Do we do anything?
Are you hungry for some potatoes?
That doesn't look like potatoes.
Just use my potato dispenser here to the left.
I don't like that thing at all. Is that supposed to be a baby? Kill it! Fucking kill that thing with fire.
Oh, I want to. So everything weird aside, that's actually a pretty cool fry contraption right there, I gotta admit.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, I kind of want some french fries now.
Let's go get some french fries.
Oh, God, I can't tell. Like, I'm afraid to turn my back on it. It feels like it's... Stop what you're doing! What is that, a Big Daddy?
Dude, those are the future people.
No, that's not. No.
That's one of the future people, man.
That wasn't in the lab when they were talking to my asshole.
That was the one that came in and killed everybody.
Oh, it is, with the glowing red eyes.
Yeah, dude. They make it red so you can tell.
That he is bad. I really have no fucking clue how to do this potato thing.
Okay, what is happening now?
I mean, did the people who made this game just go like, hey, let's do a lot of peyote, and then we can shit on a disc and mail it to someone? What?
Is this the game over screen?
Did he jump, or did he just bend down to take a shit that shattered the planet?
I don't really know, dude.
I don't know.
Some gribbles? Gribbles.
Cravens?
Just use my
Oh.
gribble dispenser here. It is just so handy.
If you're gonna eat me, I'm gonna be blowing up that arse.
Just feed it to him.
Jesus Christ, I just don't want to die. Please, Mary, Mother of God.
Oh, shit. God, this is awful.
Where's the dump part of this one?
What are you supposed to do? He's not going in. Oh.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Oh, so throw those into the fryer.
Making a little bit of nug, you know? Some nuggage? You like some nuggage?
I think he created like some sort of alternate timeline.
I don't know. I don't have enough time to do like any of this.
Okay.
Put some nugs. Fry it a little bit.
Alright, now do it. Take it out.
Oh.
Now take out.
I think it's burnt.
Whatever that.
Or what the fuck ever.
Didn't even like fall out. One of them fell out. Whatever. Feed that to him. Put it into the bowl over there near you, and then like try and use the spoon to get it.
Hold on. I got this. There. Eat it. Whoa!
Yeah, dip it into the water and then fucking or whatever that is.
Looks like porridge or something.
What
Fuck
the
you!
fuck?
What the fuck?
You stupid ass.
I just
baby.
spent all fucking day on this stupid goddamn fryer, you piece of shit! You ungrateful brat piece of crap. Do you have any idea how hard it is to get these
there's
things?
still more meatballs on the fucking ground.
Dumbass baby! Fuck you. You don't fucking know anything. Get out of here, baby. You don't have any skills or opinions or knowledge. Fuck you.
You don't contribute to society or
You
pay taxes.
fucking baby. You don't know anything about life. Do you even know you're gonna die? Do you know you're gonna die someday, baby? Fuck you.
We all die someday, baby. You're gonna die first. Alright, take it out now, because I feel like when it shakes, you take it out.
I couldn't.
What
Just gonna
is
burn.
happening in
What
this
is looking at
game?
me? Is that a dick? Tell me that doesn't look like the tip of a dick. Eat it. God.
Such a healthy appetite.
You fucking useless pile of waste.
Okay, rule 3. This better be the last one you have to feed it.
Fucking dump out! It's a dump in the dark. The only thing that can dump is a butt instead of this.
Grab it. Grab it. It's on its side.
I can't. The fucking hitbox in this game is bullshit.
This is really bad.
Ah! I fucking got it, you loud piece of... I dropped
Where'd
it.
it go?
I dropped it.
Where'd it go?
I dropped it.
God
I can't
damn
grab the
it,
other one.
Sam.
It's glitched. I can't. Fuck you! This guy's just never going away.
Okay, how is this supposed to end?
With the world exploding, apparently. Some time traveler came, shot a laser through the core of the earth, and made me give him Irish small people to my baby. Fuck you. Whoever made this. You should be ashamed of yourself. No, dude. No. No, I'm cracking the code today. I'm cracking the baby code. I'm getting this shit done. Watch. Check it. Check it. Getting some of these Irish folk. Okay, hold on. I got it. I'm gonna feed my fucking child.
Oh my god, that's horrifying looking.
Press that shit. Organic. This is about as organic as it gets. Look at all those nugs.
Wait, what happens when you press that one?
I've tried so many times. Like, what about this?
What the fuck?
Well, okay, he finally fell out in one piece. I wish I could serve him some of this shit to shut him up. Like, what is that? Is that a piece of cement? I can't even pick it up.
I don't know, but is there like something special about that drawer or whatever? Because it's got a little red thing around it.
What drawer?
The thing.
Hold on, let me feed my fucking baby this stupid, like, corpse-fried death meat. God damn it. And I lose it every time I, like, tap something.
Get it in his fucking mouth. Get it in his mouth.
You eat that shit, you ungrateful piece of crap!
Go to waste.
What drawer? This thing?
That thing.
Oh, yeah, it's like a pull ring.
That's what I'm saying. It like looks.
I can't grab it.
Usually when things are red like that, like the buttons, it's like
Yeah,
means something,
like,
you know?
this is supposed to do something, but I think it's to, like, stage 3. But I don't know how to get there, but that's why we're cracking the baby code today!
Dude, there's another fried one, like, right there.
Where?
Right in the middle.
I was loading up. That's food prep, Michael. Have you ever done a food job? Yes, you have.
Not to feed giant mutant babies or, like, don't
You
know
eat that
shut their
shit.
fucking mouth.
Now they're gonna eat me.
Yeah.
Now they're gonna eat me. Shut the fuck up.
He was really into that spoon, and now the spoon is gone.
What'd you do with it?
I don't know. I've tapped it, and then it, like, flew the fuck away.
That's bad food prep.
Dude, don't even
What the fuck?
Don't even talk to me about food prep right now, dude. I have the pickiest fucking customer on the planet. A baby. A mutant abortion Satan tumor head baby. With a gondrosyphilitis head, or whatever that's called. Hydrocephalic head.
Hypercephalic.
Nah, I thought it was hydro.
What?
I thought it was hydrocephalic.
Hydro means water.
Yeah, isn't it because their head is full of moisture or something?
Okay.
I'm a doctor! Give me those fried bits. Give me that tasty bit. That one in the corner is fucking killing me because I can't grab it. Oh, look.
Dude.
You actually managed to stop drooling for a fucking second.
What happened to my parents?
That's like 7. What do I do?
I don't know. Throw one in the fire.
Yeah, I mean, like, I can interact with the fire, so maybe he'll get pissed or something? Or not. Maybe one of these live guys. I'm cracking the baby code today, people. What the fuck? Would you do something? Weird hand in the mirror.
Ugh.
I feel like I'm burning minutes off of my life.
You are. You're burning minutes off of my life.
You came over here knowing that we were going to do this.
I didn't know we were going to do this. I didn't know you couldn't figure out a dump in the dark.
Fucking, what do you think? It's a game about pooping. We both thought it would be simple. It was simpler times when we looked at a dump in the dark.
It's simpler times.
God, that fucking snoring is making me angry. I can't stand snoring. Would you he's glitched. He's glitched into the fucking container. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna throw a whole one.
That delicious. It's not true. Don't listen to the commercial.
Okay, he's in the fire now. That's it. Okay, he's gone. He's dead.
Every time it turns dark, I'm thinking like, oh, it's going to shift into a sheen or
Nope,
something.
it's because
you know?
I'm closing the fucking thing.
So annoying.
I don't know what the fuck to do.
Dude, that thing is terrifying.
Yeah, especially with blood all over it.
And I want it to die.
What is this? I want it.
It's just like milk and butter.
Here, have your bottle. That's what babies need in their fucking mouth forever. God damn it, baby!
You just throw it away.
You piece of shit! I hate you! Ugh.
Damn, is there anything like okay?
I have to be missing something. Like it. I mean, what? I'll just let him go. Maybe it did something the last time he got pissed off. Do you really think there's gonna be a dump in the dark walkthrough? Like someone took the time to do this?
Yeah. Dude, there's a walkthrough for everything.
Ugh, fuck you.
Dude, there's YouTube videos dedicated to dump in the dark.
God, who would do that to themselves? What is this? Is this a kettle? Well, it's on the floor now. It's on the floor now because of you.
Dude, look at its eyes.
Yeah,
look at its eyes.
He's like a shark. He's got like a third eyelid. I'm just gonna press this a bunch.
Do you want your button?
Look at all the tiny people. I'm gonna crash the game.
The game is freaking out.
I wanna grab that.
No, it's like, I think something needs to go. What the fuck?
I seriously can't look at that. It's gonna make me sick.
Alright, sure, whatever.
I mean, that seems like the most appropriate thing to happen.
That's...
Did I lose? I guess I
think
lose.
you lost? Well... How do you feel about that, Sam?
Nothing. I don't feel anymore.
What
is happening? I guess I won.
Wait,
I guess
was that actually supposed to happen?
I guess I don't know. I don't know. You're asking me things that I have no fucking idea.
Alright.
I guess I win. I fucking yay me. I make the best potatoes. Excuse me. I
Another wonderful aberration to keep out of our genie. You'll like your birthday surprise, you'll see. But first we have to tenderize that rum of yours. Those buns will feed the shipworm well.
Can you poop on it?
And its waste will fuel this vessel to the promised land. Your sacrifice will not be noted, but it will be appreciated. Don't struggle then. You'll go down nice and easy. The shipworm's throat is filled with tiny needle-like.
I mean, are we really doing this right now? Are we really playing this game?
Play is like not the right term, I don't think. This is less of a playing game and more of an experiencing game. You're just kind of experiencing it. Dude, just go down the hall. I'm not, like, I'm so
over it. I'm over it. I'm fucking over it. I'm over it. Are you over it? I sure fucking am. I'm over this. I want to complete this and be done. Oh my god.
You're in a maze of poop.
I want to drown. I want to drown. I don't want to live anymore. I want to drown.
Dude, just fucking finish it. God.
I'm over it. I'm over it. Is this what our lives? Everything that happened before today is what our lives led up to. Shift to run. Why?
Run.
Why?
Just run.
I am currently shift running. Use C valves to clear waste. Holy shit, it's a tidal wave of demon shit coming at me. Holy fuck. Holy shit, I don't like none of this shit.
Dude, you just totally killed that guy.
I just pushed him into something. I don't know what I just did, but I don't fucking like it. I don't fucking like this anymore. I thought this was gonna be funny.
I thought this was gonna be easy as fuck.
No, these garbage games are made by people who have like a sick, twisted sense of like, haha, I'm gonna make like a really impossible thing because impossible things are funny. They're not. Fuck you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I don't know where to go or what to do.
Dude, you gotta turn around. Alright,
What the fuck?
alright,
Where
just
to
keep
go?
going. Just keep going forward.
I don't know where forward is! I'm in like San Francisco's waste system right now. I think I'm going backwards.
I think you are.
I think I'm going backwards. There's a bunch of valves I've already popped here.
They take a right.
That shit's getting loud.
Oh god.
I'm gonna die, aren't I?
Take a right. No, go back that way.
I'm gonna die.
And then take a right.
I'm going backwards now, right?
No, because this is where you were, you cleared that one. And then take a left. No, keep going.
Fuck this, man. God, I am so glad. Fuck, dead end.
This is just a maze of poops.
You fucked me, Michael.
Oh, fuck. Well then.
I don't know if I have it in me to clear this game, like beat it to completion.
No.
I don't think I have it in me, dude.
There's like no point in it.
There's a point of poop. Sorry.
Yeah, you should be.
Oh wait, there's a valve I haven't popped here, so
Maybe
yeah,
you're going the right way?
I think so. Fuck! Ah!
Maybe
Release me! Dump in the dark!
Maybe you need to be there when the tidal wave comes up.
No, it had red glowing eyes. Everything that's bad has red glowing eyes. I just want to drown. I just want to fill this place with poopy so I can drown in doo-doo butter.
Dude, I just don't know anything about anything anymore.
This is really clearing out the brain of like, what do I want to do today? Or like, what do I expect life to be? Like, nothing could possibly get this bad.
I've lost like 10 IQ points by watching
I feel like I'm growing steadily stupider. Like, for all our shitty immature humor, this is like too much.
Shitty,
This is
immature humor.
This is too much.
So like when you were a kid,
Yeah.
like were you like, oh, this is how my life is gonna end up? Somebody's gonna one day do this. Like this isn't what I imagine the future to be like.
Me neither, to be perfectly honest. So I found an impenetrable blood wall.
That's a hemorrhoid.
Yeah, I think this is an analogy for like colon health. I swear to God, if we go to the last level and like somehow beat it, because apparently this game is impossible, and it's like, be sure to get yourself checked regularly for prostate and colon cancer, and it's like, fuck you! You could have done that any number of ways, and you chose this way? Fuck you.
Oh my god, I can hear something.
It's just all the valves. Yeah, I can hear other shit too. Tell me when you don't hear something. That would be weird. Ah, okay, here we go.
Yeah, new way.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I don't think I ever want to play this again. I spent $5 bad on this game.
You spent $5?
Well, that was on sale. It's supposed to be like 10.
Who's paying $10 for this game?
Very sad, people. I apologize. I'm really sorry. Like, share, subscribe!
Like, honestly?